Hello, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make this beautiful Sakura Cherry Blossom with bunny hairpin. And let's see what we need for today. I need the Sculpey bacon bond and the painting with golden color. And we do need number 206 translucent rose quartz color for making the sakura. And we also need number 52, the glitter white, to make the bunny. And I got this from Hobby Lobby. We need the space for making the hairpin. You can choose the style you like. And I also have this golden color as the base to cover on top of the hairpin. This is Sculpey brand. I also prepared the soft pastels here. And the little gem that I got from, I think Michael's, to put in the middle of the flower. And here's all the tools I have. And let's get started.